action do you need to see first and foremost to make the new record highs vindicated?
Hey, Caroline, just the president-elect. And then, of course, you have Elon Musk standing next to him. And then you have all the PAC, which has really donated this time. This election has been one of the biggest crypto PAC money going into a political motive. And we literally saw such a positive return out of it. Everything is up. You have seen Bitcoin all-time high. Most of the currencies are 20 to 40% up. But look at even Dogecoin. It has literally jumped up 21% there.
Look at some of your investments. You were like first checks into some significant DeFi projects. One protocol, for example, Polygon, has had an epic time because it, along with Uniswap, was kind of singled out by the SEC as potentially not living up to what is or isn't a security. How important is a change at the top of the SEC and clarity around regulation going forward for projects and protocols such as this?
That is one of the main reasons for a big boom, Caroline, because we are seeing the whole DeFi ecosystem, certainly Uniswap, Aave, and all the DeFi protocols suddenly bumping up their prices up to 20 to 35% jump. Because I think now everyone is expecting a change in attitude with SEC, with the new administration on the hemp, where President Trump has actually said in one of his rallies that he's going to change the current SEC commissioner and going to have much more pro-friendly agenda. So everyone is expecting much more clarity on regulations. And the feeling, but I kept on feeling within the crypto ecosystem, is that it is going to be crypto for America and America for crypto after a very, very long time.
Kavita, prior to the election, hello, by the way. I was having some fun with the Bitcoin chart, but there are some serious things. Like prior to the election, a lot of people came on this program and said, well, look at the inflows, the ETF products, how significant that is, the halvening, and then sort of the vibe shift. Things were more positive around the underlying technology well before we knew the outcome of this election. I wonder how important those factors still are, whatever happens with this Trump presidency.
Absolutely. Just the day of the election, Ed, look at the amount, $1.28 billion inflow for Bitcoin ETF, $78 million inflow in 24 hours in ETH ETF. Now people are expecting Solana ETF, Near ETF, but at the same time, a lot of IPOs, companies which has been sitting quiet, like Anchorage, Circle, Chain Analysis, bunch of them, they are basically have been sitting, FalconX, just been sitting and waiting. And we had that conversation with you like 3 months before the election. Like, are we going to see a big IPO boom? Are we going to see a lot of legal construct? Are we going to see a lot of ETFs coming in? And I feel like over the next 6 months, it's just gold for the crypto industry.
Will Trump open the door to modernization of the financial system?
I think the most important thing which we have been asking for over 8 years is the clarity on regulations. Everybody, every crypto founder across the world wants to work with the government and SEC and any regulatory body to have clarity. And I feel like the biggest pathway which America can set trend is to have that legal clarity and to create a safe environment for retail customers and for technology builders to work together. So I think that's going to be the biggest reason for all these movement of prices to be up.